I think part of it is making it a career rather than a job, because when you invest yourself in your position, invest yourself in your customers, you get the opportunity to earn a repeat or a referral sale. And I guess what's scary when you've been in the business for a while, you try not to move around, stay at the same location. You get a little bit concerned when someone brings their children to you to buy a car, when they were newlyweds, when they bought their first car. You know, you feel like, maybe I am getting a little bit gray around the edges. It's probably the highest flattery, too, when a customer sends a referral to buy from you, because it means you've done a good job with them on their purchase. And to earn the right for a referral is the highest form of praise. Well, the first thing I did when I changed dealerships was I called up all of my relatives, called up all of my friends. All of my neighbors saw the new car I was driving. I tried to borrow something new to take home every night so people would see that new vehicle. Don't be afraid to ask the folks that are working in civic organizations with you. Show off a new car at church. Don't be afraid to go to a golf tournament. Spend a little bit of your time off showcasing the vehicles that you have. And it does not hurt to pick up that telephone call and work the old service customer database. It takes a little bit of homework, but by doing that extra legwork, you can sell more cars.